let's talk about TikTok Shop. And in the context of a wonderful opportunity for you to take advantage of if you're looking for where to take your store in 2026, okay? And this is part of any successful merchant's success plan. When I was working with our top merchants, this was definitely an avenue to becoming one of our 1% sellers. Is you open up an Etsy shop, and then you discover the mechanisms and best practices and find success on Etsy, and then at some point you take those skills that you have learned and transplant them to another marketplace or to a Shopify store, and then rinse, repeat, and you build an empire of stores, all leading to you becoming one of our 1% sellers. TikTok Shop is no different, folks, and there's a massive opportunity here. So let's get right into it. It's your biggest opportunity in 2026. How do we know? Because it's our fastest growing sales channel, and we're just scratching the surface, and we'll demonstrate that in a minute. But it's a very unique experience because it's a social media platform, and the marketplace happens right then and there. It's seamlessly integrated. It doesn't take you off app. It all happens right there, and it's perfect for POD because, well, POD is, you can specialize it for novelty and to respond to trends quickly, which is another one of your superpowers, by the way, in addition to personalization, is being able to respond to trends super, super quickly. Those big players only wish that they could pivot like that. So that's another way you can exercise the advantages of this particular business model, okay? And think of TikTok itself as not a sales platform, it's a discovery engine. And you have a great opportunity here to get in on the ground floor. So 2026 is going to be the year where TikTok Shop really, really takes off, okay? So the sooner you get in, the happier, the more on the happy side of that algorithm you can get. So when it finally scales and explodes, you've already done the heavy lifting to be friendly with that algorithm. So as TikTok Shop expands, you can move your business along for the ride. And I mean, the barrier to entry is super low. I mean, you just have to be a resident in the United States for TikTok Shop US. And I'm going to come right out and address the questions that I know you are typing right now. When is TikTok Shop coming to the UK? When can I use it in Spain? How about Australia? Okay, everything in time. I asked our team exactly what our official response is, because I know we're going to get this question, and the official response is we're working on it, and you can expect some advancements on that in the very, very near future. That's all I'm allowed to say. Okay. All right. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about why this is your perfect opportunity. Okay. Not only is TikTok investing heavily into this, the advantages to being an early adopter is going to be magnificent. Okay, because longer term storefronts are going to perform better. Okay, and let me address another question about, TikTok Shop is saturated with customers, which is 100% not true. In fact, they just went in and did like a huge house cleaning and kicked out a bunch of sellers that weren't performing up to standards or weren't crossing every T and dotting every I. So with them removed, and the fact that we're still basically at the beginning stages of this whole process, now is the time to consider, because it is in no way saturated, and it's a great opportunity for you.
I think it's also important not to confuse it with like content creators on TikTok, because we all know there's millions, billions of people using TikTok, and everybody's trying to be like an influencer, content creator, get brand deals, sponsorships. This is kind of a very different side of TikTok that's still very relatively new. The TikTok Shop, the going live to sell products. It's kind of like a different branch of it, and they're growing it. They're putting all of their eggs in that basket right now, and you right now are on the ground floor, as we say. Right.
So let's address the elephant in the room, because the number one concern I have, or the number one thing keeping people from heading in this direction, is I don't know how to make videos. So if I were to say that to you, Leah, what would be your response?
And you know what? It's okay. And we already have a question. I knew this was coming from V-Ray. Doesn't a TikTok Shop mean you have to be on camera? Not really. It certainly helps, but no, there are tons of strategies for you to still make content without showing your face, okay? So a quick reality check. Making content, nearly all successful TikTok shop sellers are beginning with zero content experience. They've never been on camera the way that you're thinking, okay? And also, TikTok viewers, they reward those people who are authentic. They like humor. They like honesty. They like the real you, okay? They're not expecting like a polished version of some actor or cinematic masterpiece, okay? So you don't need to dance in front of the camera. You don't need to be funny if you're not a comedian, and you don't even have to show your face, kind of as this example shows on screen, okay? TikTok is also relatively beginner friendly in the sense that they have an editor built right into the app. And it is a bit of a learning curve, but they've made it so beginners can learn how to use it and make content, okay? And we know that simple, short videos sell. Just like simple text designs are oftentimes bestsellers, simple, short videos work just as well. So what are some content ideas that you can do on your TikTok shop or on your TikTok that doesn't include showing your face? Well, first of all, order at least 2 samples, okay? TikTok shop is a little bit tougher to get ahead if you're only posting mock-ups. You can do that every now and then. There are strategies to use AI if you're not ready to order samples, if you don't have the budget. Talish and I actually made a video on this last week. We're gonna be publishing it here in the next few weeks, and we go way deeper into all these strategies, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. But for now, I would say order at least 2 samples of your products, probably your 2 best sellers or 2 products that you think would be the best sellers. And you can use those 2 products. You can get at least 10 to 15 content videos just from those 2 samples, okay? And if people see one of those videos, they like your product, they see that it's a real product held by genuine human hands, they're gonna go into your shop anyway and see all 30, 40, 100 other products that you didn't order samples of. So investing in a couple samples goes a very long way. And I'll talk a little bit more how we can use samples during the live section. But so you order these samples. What do you show? Hold up the product simply in your hands. Again, you don't have to show your face. If it's a t-shirt, hold it up in front of your face, talk about the design. Put on the t-shirt, and if you have a back design, again, this model here, they're just showing the back. They're kind of doing like a little bit of a shimmy. They're not saying anything. They're not showing their face, but you can clearly see the design. It's kind of fun with some edits. What else can you show? You can show the print quality as you're kind of just pointing at it, right? Point your camera, point your hands there at the design, talk about what the design is, talk about what inspired you to create the design, talk about why you like the design, things like that. Wear the product and show the fit. Again, you can kind of just show not your face, or we all have that friend in our group who just loves making content. They love being on camera. Get them to do it for you, right? Again, they don't have to say anything. They just have to show the product, or force your younger brother to be the weird cringe one.
Bribe them with a sample. It's
exactly.
easy.
Get your bestie, get your best friend, and kind of do it together. And I don't know, when we were younger, we always made like silly videos to show or whatever. So kind of get someone to help you with it. Do point of view clips. People love unboxing videos. You can just hold this as you unbox it. That's a piece of content right there. And on top of that, you can use text. Add text to your videos to kind of point things out. Add trending audio. Trending audio can kind of cast a wider net of people to see your products, right?
Sure, and all this functionality is available in the TikTok creator app that you use to create videos and things like that. So if you have a phone in your pocket, you can participate in this. We all have phones. I mean, we all have cameras. I mean, it's what we're trying to demonstrate here is it's within your reach, regardless of your stage ability or skills. So if you err on the side of authenticity, you're going to be all right. And I think it's important to outline, if we get that slide back up there, is the videos that we're showing you here are what's called shoppable videos. Now, currently, those are the most highly converting videos on the platform, and that's for a reason, because Right there is you're demonstrating this product. There's a link that takes you to the listing itself, where the checkout process is seamless. And if you have a credit card already on file, boom, it's your customer clicks the button, and then they're back scrolling TikTok, and the whole process only lasted, just 15, 25, 30 seconds, something like that. So it all happens very, very quickly on the app.
Mm-hmm. We have a couple questions here that I think we can answer. How do people do TikTok with Printify? Don't they have a 2-day delivery requirement? Yes, TikTok has quite strong service level agreements, meaning you have to meet a certain requirement, which is why we have that specific TikTok ready catalog. So when you connect your TikTok shop to Printify, you're going to see TikTok eligible products only. And these are the ones that have been kind of curated by us with our partners to meet that SLA.
Right. And it's just a side note here. It's very important that, well, first of all, if you're not connected to TikTok Shop, you're not going to see this in your Printify account. And secondly, it's very important that you source your products directly from the TikTok Shop catalog and create your products there, and not source them from the wider catalog. Go to the TikTok Shop Ready catalog menu, and then just create your products directly from that space there. Okay, very, very important note. But yes, I also saw that somebody else asked that question. Yeah, to stay on the happy side of those TikTok SLAs, make sure you're using products from the dedicated TikTok Shop catalog.
Mm-hmm. I've seen a couple comments about personalization also on TikTok. Again, you can personalize any product in our catalog with kind of that old flow. Personalization hub specifically, where it's all automated with your customer. Right now, it's not available for TikTok, but we know it's huge. We're going to be working on bringing it.
Exactly. Yes. So stay tuned for more of that. Okay, wonderful. All right. Somebody asked, will there be an intermission? I have a tiny bladder. No, there will be no intermission, because we've got too much stuff to bring you, folks, and we got to jam pack it into these 2 hours. I mean, we haven't even got to our store reviews yet, which is what I'm looking forward to mostly.
Yes.
But yeah, folks, let's go ahead and put a bow on this TikTok Shop experience, because I want to bring you an example. I want to talk about. We mentioned shoppable videos. Well, I don't necessarily see that being the highest converting option that will be available to you from TikTok Shop. I think the next wave that you got to get on right now is live selling. So let's talk about it.
I can feel the anxiety attacks coming. So.
Exactly. Okay, so stick with me, people. Yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. You go on live and you sell your products. I mean, we've all scrolled through cable TV and late at night and come across QVC. It's kind of the updated modern social media version of that, where you go on live, you interact with your customers in the chat, and you present your products, and boom, and you're selling them live. This is the next best thing. Trust me, folks. And for the same reasons why you should get on board with TikTok Shop now, you should also really give some heavy thought to being a live seller on there as well. It's perfect for POD sellers. Okay. Go ahead.
One quick question from Doveen Schechter. What does SOA stand for? Not SOA, but SLA. That stands for Service Level Agreement. And so a lot of platforms have this kind of this basic requirement that you have to meet as a seller. So TikTok has a Service Level Agreement, or SLA, of 2 days. You have to get your product to your customer in 2 days. And so our TikTok catalog is specially curated to meet that requirement. So SLA.
There you go. All right. So back to live selling. Why are we making a big deal out of this now? Well, because TikTok Shop is making a big deal out of it. They are pushing this big time, folks, because they understand that these live streams really increase engagement and keep people on the platform. So they want to reward people that are helping them improve their algorithm and keeping people on the platform. So that's why live selling is going to be the next best thing in 2026. Simply because they're pushing it, okay? Consumers love the experience, and for the right person, you'll love it too. So, but who is that? Who is that right person? Well, it could be you. And let me give you an example of exactly what I mean by that. I want to, if you folks don't already know, Poppy Rose, she is one of our favorites here. We just published a video about her just the other day. Lots of you have seen it because the view counts are crazy. You can see the link to that video in the description. She's been a guest on the Clicks to Riches show, where she came in and she was very forthcoming about her experience from going from a top Etsy seller to taking those skills and making the necessary adjustments to find success on TikTok. And wow, she has had major success. And thank you to Poppy Rose for sharing that with us and our audience. But yes, she did it through building momentum through her authentic live selling and her very, very simple, very straightforward content that connects with her audience. She came up with a consistent strategy to consistently provide this service to her customers, and it really has paid off for her. And we can't be any prouder of her and her success. And you can learn from her. Okay, so how did she do it? Well, she mastered live selling by taking advantage of the tools that are native on TikTok with the CRM pushes. Now, those are the announcements that are native on the platform that you can leverage to let your subscribers know that you are going live, and doing it in a very systematic way, and coming up with a content calendar so that she's supplementing these live sessions with also shoppable videos. So she's hitting her audience on multiple fronts, okay? Coming up with, flash sales at like 1 million likes and things like that, with constant engagement and giveaways. And she's really built herself a wonderful following, and that's translated into tons and tons of sales. So check her out if you're looking for an example of somebody who's doing it right. All righty, well, there we go. She can win on TikTok Shop, and so can you. And because she started early, and it's still early, folks, you can be taking over this space yourself, because 2026 is your TikTok Shop moment, ladies and gentlemen, because it belongs to those who seize the moment, and this is the moment. That's why I wanted to include this as part of our presentation today, because folks, this is all about putting a bow on 2025 and looking ahead to 2026. So you can take it from the Clicks to Riches show that our advice to you is to give some heavy thought to TikTok Shop, and not only that, but also live selling. Just give it a try.
And remember, people don't want perfect. They want the real you. Do 1 or 2 lives. Use it as a practice session. You're going to find your groove.